Alright everybody, back again, and firstly when I was working on, of course, that deployment thing, the OBS got disconnected automatically. I don't know why am I facing this issue, but I watched some of the videos and I just turned those settings on too, so I hope this time I will not be facing that. But if I face that crazy thing for the first time I'm facing it, let's see I will be able to resolve it or not, but let's continue from there on. So I was here, you and origin main. I will set the string on the go as well, origin main. So main, I'm pushing it to the main branch, and the origin is the main branch, and U stands for the origin, so I'm setting the origin to on the go. So this particular thing is done. Let's push it. Okay, so right now I have pushed it, so let's simply reload the page over here. And now I've got my front end as well as back end here. What is the next thing that I have to do? Once I've got these things over here, I will be simply getting it on my EC2 machine. First of all, this thing. But even before that, let's do one thing that let's do that thing later. The first thing would be just simply running it directly on EC2 machine. Let's just do this thing, that directly by cloning it on the EC2 machine, are we actually able to run the program the right way? After that, I will make a CI/CD pipeline and all, and then I will keep pushing the data from here. But the most important thing is that running this code on an EC2 machine, if we can do that, CI/CD pipeline can be done easily. I already have some pre-written code, so I will be using that. So that is not really a big problem. So let's start working on this particular thing. Let's connect to the EC2 machine again, and passphrase. Let's enter the passphrase. Let's make it really small because I will mainly be working on this particular section. So this is the EC2 machine that I'm in right now, or I can say I'm connected to. First of all, it's taking time, don't know why, but like even if I write commands really quick, it takes some time to just respond now, but never mind. What is the next thing that I can do? I actually have nothing inside it. So in that case, I will be first of all initializing let's do one thing, create a folder called Brainly app inside this. So mkdir Brainly app. Okay, this is the folder that I'm creating. cd into the folder Brainly app and ls. Now I will be initializing the git over here, git init. Okay, git is initialized, that's amazing. ls, and after that I will be cloning. Okay, I have to clone the same project that I have on my GitHub. So this is the project that I have. I have to clone this particular project, and that is it. Let's paste it and enter. So ultimately I have my code over here. Git status, or not git status, just ls. So what the hell? Sorry. Remove rf Brainly app from here. cd one step back. This app will already be created, so I can remove this folder that I have created right now, Brainly. And now I have nothing. So let's see. Git status. Do I have git initialized? Nothing. Git init. Git clone. Git clone that particular file, the project that I'll be cloning. ls. Right now I have my Brainly app, so Brainly, that means cd Brainly. ls. These are, I have two things inside this. I have my backend and I have my front end. The important thing is that right now I have to install many things. In the sense, I have to install Node. So first of all, how to install Node, or let's simply go to Node, because if I want to run this project, I need to have Node installed on my EC2 machine. So Node install. Let's go here and simply wait for a while, and let's click on Linux, and this is gonna be NVM with npm, of course. So I will be just copying the whole thing from here, and I will be pasting the whole code over here. Let's enter, and right now Node is getting installed on my EC2 machine. That's fine. So let it install. Then slowly we'll go ahead and get the things done. but even before that we need to check whether it is actually installed or not. ls node version, node is installed, npm version, npm is also installed. The next thing is that let's go to cd into backend, and I'm inside my backend and I have these files inside this. I have to create a environment variable file manually over here, because of course right now I'm not using any container and all, so I'm just doing everything manually. So touch.env, I'm creating that file, and once I have this file, one more thing, in this environment variable file that I have over here, just a sec, this is the environment variable file. At the end of the day, my allowed origin is going to be this. My front end will still be running on this, like on localhost 5173. I will send a request to Nginx. Nginx will redirect that request to a particular URL. Like my front end will always run on this particular code. That is the good thing. That means I don't need to change anything. My front end on an EC2 machine will run on 5173. That means I don't need to worry about it. On my backend will be running on 3004. That means I don't need to worry about it. And remaining things are gonna be fine, right? So what I can do, I can just copy everything from here, and I can go here to my EC2 machine. Just here actually, just get rid of this. This is the EC2 machine that I have, and here I have created the env file. And once I have the env file, that's not visible, so lsa, that is the hidden file. I have sample file, I have the .env file that I have created, that's fine. .env .sample, really? Yeah, that's the name of the file, fine. So let's vim.env file. Turns out it already has the things. How does it have? I don't know. ls cat.env env. Well, it already has. I think it already got things got copied automatically. I don't know how this thing happened, but as it already has the content that I need, I don't need to worry about it. So let's continue from here on. So I'm done with my backend. Let's go a few steps forward. ls cd into frontend. And inside this, what environments do I need to have? Inside my front end over here, I need to have my just backend URL, and backend will be running on 3004. That means this is also fine. That simply means I can ls over here. I don't have .env file. lsa. I don't have I have my .env file over here. Oh my god. Really? I had .gitignore file over here. In this .gitignore file had .env, right? It didn't have .env file. .env. Sorry, my bad. I pushed my all the keys to GitHub. Git push. That's crazy. I hope right now it's done. Those files are, but not even that. Git status, git status, git add, git commit, m remove.env, env file, git push. How can I do that? Let's click on this, and it's taking time. Network issue यार, at least let me be live. मतलब हद है. This OBS is making me crazy, honestly. It is simply giving me no data at all. How can I fix this issue? Sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it simply gives me, disconnects me. Let's go on. I hope it will be just able to manage. By the way, I still have this .env file over here. Crazy stuff. How can I remove that? This .env file. Okay. First of all, this is the issue. .env. Okay, this should be like this. First of all, this same is going to be here. .env.sample, not .env.sample, like this. And it turns out these have, okay, this is fine, I'm not worried about this one, sample file. But why git status, git add, git push .m. One more thing, this is the git ignore file. Wow, thank you very much. The thing is that .env file is never added in here. I thought env files are added by default, but it is not like that. I have to go there and manually add it. This is the insane thing. How bad was I? Never mind. This is heartbroken actually. I actually thought that .env file will be added automatically, but it did not happen like that. And I pushed my keys. I had to check it next time onwards. By the way, git add everything. Git push, and what I thought that git status, git commit, remove .env. What I thought that as I was adding .env over here, so it will take care of the remaining .env files, but it is not like that. You need to have this .env folder at the root file. That means even if you have here, that's not gonna make any sense unless it is on the root. Okay. By the way, I should not have that .env file anymore over here. At least that's what I thought, but I still have that. But why do? Once it got pushed, it's not getting removed. Can I delete it from here? In place GitHub desktop. Download Jumper and copy path. Rep center content. There must be a way to delete the files here. This is the .env file that I have. Delete directory. Matlab directly I can delete. I can't delete the .env file directly. Let's do one thing. This is the Brainly project, right? Brainly app. Delete the repository directly. Control CV, delete it. Yeah, I need to verify it, right? Let me do that really quick. I actually thought that if I have .ignore file at the root level, it should work, but it is not working. I need to have that in the, like, I had that on the outer folder, but that did never worked. Come on, where is that GitHub? Here it is. क्या बकवास है उसमें? Everything is insane, but never mind. keep calm and keep coding. Repositories. Okay, server actions. I hope I don't have that Brainly app right now. Brainly app. Yeah, I don't have. Let's get a new repository now. New repository. Brainly app available. Copy the whole thing from here. Paste it here. This thing is done. Let's reload the page. And got git ignore. Earlier this git ignore file was ignored. Wow. Like it. Forget about everything else. I am not angry. .env file, I'm ignoring it, and that is already at the root level. .ignore file has this .ignore file has the same. Git status. Even if I have this, I have .env file. .env file content. Hi obsessed. Wow, nice name, username. Contents. env examples. .env file. Can't I get a proper example? Create. The YouTube. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not worried about being like uploading the videos and all. It's just that I learned, so I make it public, as simple as that. I don't have any goal of becoming a YouTuber and all. I don't even want to become a YouTuber. Not worried about that much. I'm just mainly worried about my learning, and while learning, if I can make it live, so why not? .env generator. Environment config generator. Auto generate.env files examples. Let's take the help of AI directly with this. Comment here, help me now. give me a .env file content. How much coding do you know? How much coding do I know? I'm a full stack web developer. I can create full stack websites easily. Nowadays I'm learning Next.js and working on. I was searching the wrong thing. I lost my mind, seriously. Give me .ignore. Git ignore file content. There's high possibility that environment variables, everything after that, not example. Okay, so I will make it example. Got it. Let's make it env dot example right now. Same here, env dot example. And not only that, let's remove this .ignore file from here. Remove this .ignore file from here, and let's keep everything just at the root level, and let's see whether it actually works or not. Enough is enough. Okay, let's git status, git add everything, git status, git commit add .env file push. Everything, what the hell, everything is up to date. Reload the page. Right now that is still sample. Not getting what I want today. Let's see, delete, create the repository, brainly app, create it, copy. Why am I not getting any? At least there should be some kind of dynamic changes over there, but never mind. Wow. Reload the page. I'm still getting my .env file. Question is, why am I getting this .env file pushed here? Crazy. Why is this happening? One last thing that I can do, that create the .env file in those particular folders, but relation successful, that's great. One more time that I'm gonna do it. New repository, I'm gonna check test. Brainly app, let's name it the same, not really a big problem. And this time that already exists, I will be just pushing it from there. Its status. The thing is that I already have my .ignore file at the root level, .git ignore, right? So it should be working fine, but it is not working fine the way I'm expecting it to work. Push. Reload the page. I am still getting .env file. Let's copy it, paste it inside front end, paste it inside back end. So I have in both. Now git add everything, git status, git commit, add .env files, git push, reload the page. I still have them. Sorry, I didn't look at your message. Bro, can we work together? I have an idea for an app and I know that I definitely work there. There is almost no competition. I'm still learning, that is the problem. Don't think of me like I know the things. I'm getting better every day, but it's not like I'm a professional person who does the things. So, by the way, what do you do? Which field are you from? Are you also a coder? This time I can try one more. Let's try it one more time. Create the file. Brainly app. Can you let me know exactly what you do? My student learning only. Which class are you from? Like which? Yeah, kind of. Are you college student or something? Push origin में यार this .env फाइल क्या समस्या है? .env.example तो ठीक है, .env फाइल क्यों आ रही है इधर? गजब है, मतलब कुछ भी. Class 10th. That's good to know that. Learn coding as soon as possible and start working on the projects that you think that is good. For right now, I'm actually just simply learning, so can't really promise that, bro. .env local files यार मैं कर तो रहा हूँ. Question, comment. Why is my .env file getting posted to GitHub? This is insane. I have some other things to cover too. Where are you from? I'm from Madhya Pradesh, India. You tell me. Remove cache the stop dragging. Okay, let's do it now. I live in my village actually. That's in Madhya Pradesh. That is in Satna state. Reload it. काम करे क्या? ls है ना? git remove rf dot git ignore. Let's remove this all. ls git status done forever. cd backend git status nothing. cd git अरे यार क्या करा मैं? cd front end git status cd one more git init git add one more thing. I want to check it this time. Before I do this, let's remove this .ignore file from here. Remove this .ignore file from here. I will have it at the root level. Now git add everything. How about you? Where are you from? Get a commit m add everything. Can you tell me your number or email so I can contact you? There is WhatsApp group, or just check the description of the video. You can join that and text me in the group. I will let you know. You can even get my number over there. Get push. Get a remote. Get a remote add. Check the description of the video. I have created a WhatsApp group. People are already there. You can also join that, and then yeah, you can get in touch. I would love to know about the idea that you have, and if I really think that something can be done on this, I will definitely do my level best to just do the stuff. Let's meet. Send a message on a group, in the group. I will get in touch with you. Get remote add origin. Add it. Get status. Get push. Get push upstream origin main. मास्टर है भाई ये. Get branch m main. Get push upstream origin main. Get pull upstream origin main. Failed updates were rejected because the debug your branch is behind. Get remote origin. Get remote okay. Get full origin. Unrelated histories. Get full origin name. Get full remote. Get full origin branch is going to be made. No, this is what I don't want. If I'm pulling that, that's gonna be crazy. I don't want to pull that, otherwise I will lose everything from my own side. Yeah, let's delete it. Hey, for a while I even just forgot to speak, sorry. I got lost in my own problem that I even forgot that I'm live on YouTube and I have to speak. Okay, never mind, let's continue. Brainly app. Let's create it again. This is gonna be fine. Bro, there are 3 admins in the group. Which one is you? Don't worry, just text over there. My number is going to be that starts with 9301. You can text over there. Those are the subscribers only. They were the ones created the group. So I said okay. I even joined the group and then I even started sharing the link over here. But yeah, the number that starts with 9301, you can text over there. And then I'll definitely get in touch with you. Okay, great. Git push now. And let's try this thing out this time. Reload the page. Finally, I do not have .env file over here. That was crazy. For a moment, it's been like, why am I getting this file here? What is the reason behind it? I think you sent me the message. What's up? Yeah, I got your number. I'll be texting you back soon. Like right now, of course, I'm busy in this one. But yeah, I'll text you as soon as possible. LS, what is the next thing? I've already done this thing, right? Exit this. Let's go to the EC2 machine again. Let's connect it to it. Enter the passphrase. Now I'm on my EC2 machine. CD Brainly. So let's remove that RF. Remove RF Brainly. Alright, bro. I'm gonna be catching up soon with you. Git init. I already have that. Yeah. Reinitialize. That's fine. Git clone. Let's copy the URL. Get rid of this. Copy. Paste. Enter. Git cd Brainly app ls cd backend ls lsa. Wow, I got my logs here. Interesting. Never mind. I have .env file, example file. Let's create a touch.env, vim.env, and it's time to paste the things here. That's great. What I can actually do that I can go to my main project over here, and this time I don't have a .ignore file here, but still it works for all. That is right. Sorry, I don't need to have many .env files. Control C. Let's paste it here and escape wq ls cat.env exit, not exit, ls cd, one step back, and cd front end ls lsa touch.env vi